a stylish restaurant, a romantic dinner, and a secret surprise. What will Tom tell Emma tonight? In today's video, you'll follow Tom and Emma. They're going to a lovely restaurant together. They need to make a reservation, place their order, and talk about something very important. Let's begin.
Emma, I have a surprise plan for tonight. How about going to a nice restaurant?
Oh, really? Where are we going?
A newly opened, stylish restaurant. It's gotten really great reviews.
Wonderful.
Should I make a reservation? 7 o'clock or 8?
7 is too early. 8 is better, but can you still get a reservation? It's Friday.
Let me call right now.
What kind of place is it?
Not too formal, but still elegant. I just called. We're lucky there's a table available. I booked a table for 2 at 8.
That was fast.
I wasn't planning to say this yet, but there's something special about tonight.
Something special? What do you mean, Tom?
I'll tell you tonight. For now, just get ready. I'll pick you up at 7.
Hold on. Something special, then. I'll tell you tonight. What does that mean?
Be patient, Emma. In a few hours, you'll know everything.
Okay, but give me a small hint. Is it something good?
Definitely something good. Now, get ready. We don't want to be late.
All right, I'm getting ready.
Here we are.
It's really beautiful inside. The lighting is so romantic.
Hi there. We have a reservation for 2 at 8. Tom Harris.
Tom Harris.
I honestly didn't expect this. I had no idea we were coming here.
I wanted it to be a surprise.
Right this way, please.
Isn't that the table by the window? You can see outside too. It's lovely.
I specifically asked for a window table when I made the reservation. Do you like it?
I love it. Thank you, Tom. You really thought of everything.
I wanted tonight to be special.
You said it again. Special. Now I'm really curious. What's happening tonight?
Let's look at this menu first and order. Then we'll talk.
Okay, but half my mind is going to be on you.
All right, let's take a quick look at the menu then.
There are even fresh flowers on the table. Such a lovely touch.
You noticed nice.
The waiter was very polite. He speaks both Italian and English.
Yes, very professional. He left the menus. Let's see what's on there.
The menu is huge. I don't even know where to start.
Shall we start with the soup?
Good idea. Is there a tomato soup?
Yes, right here.
I'll have that one. What about you?
I'll have the tomato soup as well.
What about the main course?
I'm thinking spaghetti carbonara, but the risotto looks great too.
I want pasta too. Maybe the penne arrabbiata. I wonder if it's spicy.
It says medium spice, not too hot.
What's in the risotto? Can you read it?
Mushroom risotto with parmesan. The price looks reasonable too.
Maybe I'll try the risotto next time. Tonight, I'm definitely going for pasta.
Deal. Pasta for both of us. Easy decision.
The hardest decisions are about people, not food.
You're right, Emma. That's exactly what we'll be talking about tonight.
You're doing great so far. By the way, hello everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm here to help you learn English the easy way. Did you notice the word reservation? It means booking a table at a restaurant before you arrive. You call, say how many people are in your group and what time you'd like to come. Tom called the restaurant in advance and booked a table for 2 by the window. And a quick grammar note. Emma said, "I'll have that one." We use "I'll have" when ordering at a restaurant. It's much more natural and polite than just saying, "I want." I'll have the pasta. I'll take the pasta. I'll have a coffee. I'll take a coffee. I'll have the same. I'll have what they're having. Try to remember that one. Here's today's question. What will Tom tell Emma? The answer is coming up very soon. When you find it, write it in the comments. Even one word is perfect. Writing your answer in English is a great way to practice. Something interesting is about to happen. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Let's continue.
Hi there. We'd like to order, please.
Of course, go ahead.
Could we have 2 tomato soups? And for the main course, I'll have the spaghetti carbonara, and my friend will have the penne arrabbiata.
And I have a question. Is the penne arrabbiata very spicy?
Medium spice.
Does that work for you?
Yes, medium is fine. Thank you.
Here's the soup. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious, hot and fresh.
This restaurant is really high quality.
Absolutely. Now, Tom, you promised.
Okay, David made me a very big offer last week.
An offer? A job offer?
Yes. David's brother is starting a company in Vancouver. He invited me to be a partner.
Vancouver? Canada? Tom, that's a huge decision.
I know, that's why I wanted to talk to you. Your opinion matters a lot to me.
Wait, so tonight you're asking me for advice?
Advice, yes, but there's something else too. Let me tell you when the main course comes.
Tom, every time, a little later.
I promise we'll talk when the pasta arrives. 5 minutes.
This soup is really fresh. You can taste every ingredient.
They use good quality ingredients, you can tell.
I wonder if there are Italian restaurants like this in Vancouver.
I'm sure there are. It's a big city. But not quite like this place, of course.
True, every city has its own special spots.
Here's the pasta. Enjoy your meal.
The penne looks amazing. Let's see. Is it spicy?
Try it. If it's too hot, we can ask the waiter to change it.
No, it's perfect. Medium spice, just right for me. And the sauce is so rich.
My carbonara is amazing too. The pasta is cooked just right, and the cheese is perfect.
Tom, please tell me now. The Vancouver offer and the other thing. What is it?
Okay, first, let me say this. I'm taking the Vancouver offer seriously, and
I understand. So, what's the other thing?
Emma, we've been friends for 2 years, but lately I've realized
Go on, Tom.
I feel more than friendship for you. And I wanted to say that before going to Vancouver.
Tom, I feel the same way. I have for a long time.
Really?
Yes, but now there's Vancouver. What does that mean for us?
That's exactly why I wanted to talk to you. I want us to decide together.
I understand. This is a very important conversation, Tom. Let's keep going. So, if you go to Vancouver, when would you come back?
I don't know yet. Maybe every 6 months, maybe less.
6 months is a long time, but we have technology. We can video call.
Yes, and maybe you'll come visit. Vancouver is a beautiful city.
Me? Go to Vancouver? I've never been. What's it like?
There's the ocean, mountains, the city, everything in one place. It's a very livable city.
Okay, let's think this through. When would Vancouver happen?
David needs my answer within 3 months.
3 months? That's not much time for such a big decision.
I know, but the opportunity is really good. David's brother James is very talented.
Do you know James?
David introduced us.
I see. What does the company do?
It's a tech company. They develop software. It lines up perfectly with my field.
It really does sound like a great opportunity.
Yes, but you're here. That matters a lot to me.
I think you should ask yourself first, will this job make you happy?
Yes, it would. But thinking about going alone is hard.
Tom, I need a few weeks to think too. This is a big thing for both of us.
You're right. This decision isn't just mine. It's ours.
Yes. Let's finish our food, then we'll order dessert and talk more comfortably.
Okay, and Emma, thank you for this conversation. It wasn't easy.
So, what about the salary? Is it a good offer?
90% more than my current job. And there's a partnership stake too.
Tom, that's a really strong offer. You have to take it seriously.
I know, but it's not the job that matters to me, and it's you.
The two don't have to cancel each other out. You can have a great job and a great relationship.
You're right. There's a way. We'll figure it out together. Have you looked at the dessert menu?
Yes. There's tiramisu, an Italian classic.
Tiramisu would be perfect. Will you have some too?
Yes, but the portion is big. Shall we share?
Great idea. One portion, 2 forks.
Deal. And I'll have an Americano. You?
I'll have an espresso. Small but strong. Could we order, please?
Of course, go ahead.
Could we have one espresso, one Americano, one tiramisu, and 2 forks, please?
I'll bring that right away.
Tom, I want to thank you for tonight, for the restaurant, and for your honesty.
I should thank you. It wasn't easy to say.
Here's your order.
Oh, the tiramisu is here. Wow, it looks amazing.
Enjoy. Give it a try.
This is the best tiramisu I've ever had. It's really wonderful.
Me too. I love this restaurant. We're definitely coming back.
Definitely. Maybe next time we'll bring David and James too.
Yes, that would be a nice surprise for them.
Does the tiramisu have coffee in it or just cocoa?
Both. There's cocoa powder on top and espresso inside.
Perfect. The best of all desserts.
I agree, especially at the end of an evening like this. Should we ask for the bill?
Yes, time flew by. What time is it?
10:30. We've been here for over 2 hours.
Really? It went so fast. What a wonderful evening.
For me too. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Let me pay, Tom. You've done so much tonight.
No way. I invited you. I'll pay.
Okay, but next time I'm choosing the restaurant and I'm paying.
You said next time. So you have plans.
Of course I do. I love spending time with you.
That means a lot to me.
How much was it?
$50.
Really reasonable. Wonderful for a place this nice.
Paid. Let's go. Shall we take a little walk?
Yes, let's. If the weather's nice, we can sit outside somewhere. Should we leave a tip? The service was excellent.
Yes, I left one. They deserved it.
Absolutely. The waiter was so attentive. We didn't wait once.
Quality service. That's why the reviews are so good.
Definitely. I'll recommend this place to my friends. The weather is really beautiful. Good thing we decided to walk.
There's a small square near the restaurant. Shall we go there?
Let's go. We can keep talking too.
Emma, I'll never forget this evening.
Me neither. It was such a special night. The food was wonderful, and so was the conversation.
So, what are you thinking now? About Vancouver?
I'll be honest, my heart sank when I first heard it. But I'm thinking about it differently now.
Differently how?
If this job is truly going to make you happy, that matters. Distance isn't the end of everything.
Emma,
You have 3 months. We'll think it through together. But talk to David again first. Learn the details.
You're right. I'm actually meeting David for coffee on Friday. Should I bring you along?
I'll get to meet David? Yes, I'd love that.
Perfect. So next Friday, the three of us. At the Green Cup?
Perfect. It's a plan.
And Emma, thank you for tonight.
No. Thank you. Let's walk, Tom. Let's make this beautiful night last a little longer.
This square is so quiet. I'm glad we came here.
Yes, right in the middle of the city, yet so peaceful.
Emma, there's one more thing I want to say.
Go ahead, Tom.
Whatever we decide, tonight meant everything to me.
Whatever we decide, I'll always be in your corner.
Knowing that means the world to me, Emma. And who knows? Maybe everything is about to change very soon.
Who knows? Let's walk, Tom. Let's make this beautiful night last a little longer.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and picked up some new English words and phrases. Before we finish, let's quickly review a few key words from today's story. First word, reservation. This means booking a table at a restaurant before you arrive. You call or book online, give your name and how many people are in your group. Tom called the restaurant in advance and reserved a table for 2 by the window. Second word, menu. This is the card or screen at a restaurant that lists all the food and drinks. Tom and Emma looked at the menu and chose a starter, a main course, and dessert. The menu also showed the prices and ingredients. Third word, bill. This is the total amount you pay at the end of your meal. You ask the waiter by saying, "Can I have the bill, please?" Tom paid the bill and also left a tip. Now back to our question. What did Tom tell Emma? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments. I'll check them. And tell me, have you ever been to a special dinner? Where did you go? I'd love to know. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want more slow, easy English conversations like this one, subscribe to Learn English with Daniel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll know the moment a new lesson goes up. I'll be back here soon with a brand new story just for you.